Hey, this is Raj here, friends. I have a somber news this morning and a request as well. Last night, we spent time in the Animal Emergency Hospital in Toronto. My little dog, Cory, was suddenly woke up from her sleep somewhere around 8 o'clock last night. And she screamed, and then her legs were trembling, kind of seizure kind of a thing. So we took her to an emergency, and the entire night was spent going from one emergency to other until someone took her in, and they have been keeping her under observation. Seems there's a sudden drop in her red blood count. When we took her there, initial diagnosis was some kind of a spinal injury that they were planning to operate in the morning and let us know. But then we got news a couple of hours later that her red blood count had dropped almost 20% overnight. And that could indicate something serious. And we got a call this morning saying that they are going to investigate that further because they haven't been able to find it. And it seems to be pointing towards a kind of aggressive cancer. They want to rule that out. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Both my wife and I, we are quite devastated, and um, we are just hoping for the best. Now, coming back to my request to you, friends, it's been a hard uphill task developing a video channel as a new content creator. I put almost 3 years building up this channel and improving my own ability to record videos and upload. And I have a lot of learnings that I have achieved and a lot more to learn. And I thank you all for all the support that you have given me and the increasing number of viewers in the channel, your comments. They're all very encouraging. My request is that for the next 2 or 3 days, I'm not going to be able to make videos. And the problem with YouTube is that if you don't make videos, your subscribers and viewers don't watch, and then you get removed from the homepage feed and they lose you forever. I don't want to lose you guys, and I don't want you guys to lose me. So my request is that just take any of my videos, just watch it for maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds or something like that, so that I continue to remain in your feed. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And if you don't see any video from me for the next 2 days, it is because I'm preoccupied with my little dog who is looking at me for support. And it's very difficult. So friends, thanks and have a great day. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll keep you posted. I hope to be back again, probably on Monday, with new videos. Bye for now.